Hi, I'm Jane. In this video, I will be teaching you how to access the Habibi food app by simply downloading the Spaces by Wix app. On your mobile phone, go to the Google Play Store for Android users or App Store for iOS and search for Spaces by Wix. Click Install and wait until it finishes to download. Make sure to like this video and follow us in our social media like Facebook and YouTube. Now, click Open. On this page, we can either click Sign Up, or if you have a Wix account, or got an invite code. Since we have an invite code, let us click Got an invite code. Now let us type the invite code of Habibi food app, which is RKPU3B. All capital letters and one number. Click the Join button. These are the things we can do with the Habibi food app. And now, click the Join button. To get started, we can either continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or sign up with an email. I recommend continuing with Facebook. And now we are successfully accessed and become a member of Habibi food app. In my next video, I will guide you inside the app, explore it, and how to use it. Make sure to like this video and follow us in our social media like Facebook and YouTube. Thanks for watching.